all of our different indexable drills. We got the indexables, the modular, and the spade drills. They can drill some big holes. We go up to some pretty big sizes on these. And yeah, all indexables, center drills, spot drills. We have long reach and shorter reach spot drills.
Awesome.
This is all our hole making section right here. We got our reamers, our thread mills, our carbide drills, and our cobalt drills. These cobalt drills, great value. Perfect to run in your shop, especially the kits for a size you might not be used to or a size you need real quick. Having these kits on hand is great. Right here, our kits is one of the things that stands out in Haas Tooling by selling everything you might need for a job in a really affordable price. Our tap drill kits here come with the jobber drills you need for the job, come with a spiral flute tap and a straight flute tap for your blind or through holes, and in whatever certain dimension you want. Here we are showing off the quarter 20s and a couple other things.
Yeah, really just a variety of drills, and we pretty much, the Haas Tooling library has grown. Every year we're adding more and more tools. So thanks for that rundown, Bradley. That was great.
Of course. Thank you guys.
All right, awesome. Thanks, Brad.